work for protection of our children. There will be no violence against children. We'll stop sexual violences, physical violences, and 116 number, which is a toll-free number, because it's on a handle 116 for 160 kilometers. So we want people to use that number. That's why we are working. We are working for children.
Thank you. Thank you. Straight to the point. For the walk, for Moshoeshoe Walk. Dumela mme. Le kae? Mme ke mang? Mangwela re mo mme. A re mangwela. O lokile.
No, ha ke sha.
O nole maheu.
Ke nole mto.
E mateng mona mme. Re batla go bolelle fela go ikutla jwang. What does it mean for you the 200 years?
I don't know what to say. It's a cultural thing, I guess. Yeah. To remember Moshoeshoe walked all this way this far.
How do you feel when you feel as well?
This is my 5th year, I think. So it's the first time more ke palamang transport because kinali injured.
Oh, unali injured.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
So
what's also feleletso feditse mo?
I don't know hore ke tla khona tswela pele, but I can still feel the spasms lutong.
All right.
So ke tla bona usana, I guess.
No,
yeah, thanks.
Thank you. Okay, mami. Thank you. Thank you. Dumela ntate.
Mre.
Ntate ke mang?
Oh, ke bitswa Mokete.
Ntate Mokete, mangwela a jwang fela.
Mangwela ka tsale matla ntate. Mangwela a tsale matla ke letsatsi fela. Empa tjhe o sebetseile. Ho fihlela mo.
Ntate Mokete o sa tswela pele ka o sa.
No, ke qetella le ena ntate. A ke re itle mo ka sephio mre. Ke tle mo ka sephio mre.
Ntate Mokete, 200 years. 200 years, what does it mean to you?
Mohlomong ha Basotho ba tseba nalane ya Basotho ke hore taba ena e bontsha the unity, sustainability and the progressiveness of the Basotho nation since this movement ya Morena Moshoeshoe. And hape he ho rona ke o ikgopotsa party ya menyabuketso ya hae. I think na le hona jwale na le a project e ba yetsang ya se Moshoeshoe e bontshang makgabane ya Moshoeshoe in various spheres of life. So ke nahana hore this is one of those encounters e leng hore e tla dula e re hopotsa ntate hore Morena Moshoeshoe was the greatest among his equals. That. Thank you, Mra.
Alala. Bomme dumela. Le ka bomme. Le sa pele o sane ore.
Ga etsa ntate.
La etsa.
Ga etsa taba.
Mme ke mang?
Mme ke mamelo ga kuane ntate.
O tswa go kae?
Ke tswa Alliance Insurance.
Alliance Insurance.
Yes ntate.
O wena o wokile o ha wa woka go drive.
Ke wokile.
O le fresh so sa le fresh.
Ke wokile ke ne ke tsamaya le Queen.
Serious?
Her Majesty. Yes ntate ke motlotlo re be ke tsamaile le motlotle.
Amen.
Yes.
200 years celebration, what does it mean to you?
Yo, it means a lot. It means a lot ka nnete. Ha ke khone le hore nka tlhalosa but it means a lot. Yes ntate.
O feel jwa mme?
Ke ikutla ke thabile haholo hore be ke tlile Moshoeshoe Walkong ka hae tena ha Basotho mothei wa setjhaba sa rona Moshoeshoe wa pele ha tha setjhaba sena sa Basotho se sena le 200 years ka jeno. Yes. Lena ke le buile haholo.
Mme lo tsaya ka wena o le.
O a utlwa hore ne ke se prepared ho bua.
A tumela mona mme, a tumela mo.
Ne ke se prepared ho bua.
Mme ke mang?
Ke MalepaCreative dongwane.
MalepaCreative o ikutlwa yang wena?
Ke thabile haholo le motlotlo hore be ke atleile ho nka karolo.
200-year celebration, wena, what does it mean to you?
Sure, in case I give him a total one, I'm so to
Eh.
It have been a whole and the relative.
O tshwa ka te o be Mozulu ka sedumedi.
What?
Ha o ka te o be Mozulu ka sedumedi.
Le kgale.
La o ka nyala ko Bazulu ka sedumedi.
Le talking one I'm fucking.
Thank you.
Ke lebile haholo.
Ke lebile haholo
Alright,
ntate.
thank you. Ke ba group e nngwe ke le ka mo le yatsi. Ha ke o thusa. Group e nngwe ke le ka mo le yatsi. Sheba ka mo.
Listen to that.
Yeah.
Mme,
Ntate.
leeto la lona. Njwetsa ka lona.
Leeto le monate, mara le challenging a little bit, but it is so nice, especially because we are celebrating a man, a real man, the King Moshoeshoe. Yes.
So what does it mean for 200 years? What does it mean for 200 years?
For me, ke nana e boela ntho e kgolo haholo because even though ke Mosotho ne ke qala ho tla monana he, but ke nana ke ntho e kgolo haholo, not only for Basotho but for the king himself. Yes. Kapa for the people of Basotho. Yes. Kapa South Africa and Africa as a whole. It's can't try TV hle.
Iba itlo ba for Lesotho. Here. 200 years. What does it mean to you, ma'am?
It has a very sentimental value to the Basotho people, as they are celebrating when King Moshoeshoe had his blind sentinel taking a walk here. Yes.
So
I'm from South Africa, by the way.
What have you gained so much? I mean, up to now.
What I've gained is that you having this walk, it needs you to be prepared mentally more than physically. It's challenging, and one of the other things that I like about walks and hikes is that it brings unity. You can see we are from different countries, but we come together as one. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Mena hale bloka le yana ke mang a tlo tsamayang. Tshwara mahanyane ke Here, I'll sit here. Dumela, hey, what does it mean for 200 years of the war?
200 years of the war. Ooh, really, I don't know. Honestly.
So, we're now up to so far. How do you feel about this war?
How do I feel about the war?
Yeah.
Well, I want to believe that it took us from where he used to be to a new place. That's how selfless he was for the nation of the Basotho. Yes.
So, are you sure you're going to finish the race?
Yes, I'm going to. Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank
See
you.
you on the other side.
All right.
All right. Tell us, what have you gained up to so far?
Some rewarding the scenery, the history, the solitude. Yeah, I've gained friendships. Yeah.
So what does 200 years for the Basotho mean to you?
What does it?
What does it mean to you?
What does it mean to me?
Yeah.
That I'm finally coming back to my roots on the year that I turned 45, and it's the 200 years of the Basotho formation. So I'm proud to be here. Thank you so much.
Let's talk about.
Nifuna madoda.
Ufuna kwazi ukuthi wena
Madoda ndiniwe le nto lena eminde kakhulu man. Ndidinwe nyani yazi ndiniwe. Ngeli lapha ngoku. Yandisho uba ndiyaphambili thathele ngoku. Inzima le nto yemadoda hayi khona. Why did you decide to take this?
It's an important walk. Katale motse 200 re le Basotho ka mora hore Basotho no a rona e le ntate Moshoeshoe a re bope. It's very important. Ke a leboha ke hona ke le qetile. Apart from that ka bophelo le etsa hore re be fit naturally, physically, emotionally, mentally, otherwise thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay, all right. This is one of the challenging races I've ever attended. Even though the organization was a little bit slow, but as the day progresses, things are now coming into fore and things are going smoothly as we want. To me, it's a preparation for Comrades Marathon in South Africa.
That's nice.
I'm enjoying the race like nobody's business. It's a good preparation.
Do you think you can finish the race?
I am going to finish the race on Friday. Tomorrow is 54 kilos. It's a good practice. Then I finalize it on Friday. Then I am doing what I'm supposed to do, preparation for Comrades Marathon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Awesome.
All right.
Usithabe ntate. Mulatu. Ntate wa ka mauto ha wa jwa. Ufika jwa. Ntate wa tshaba.
Nne ke yo. What o tshaba?
Uthabe.
Oh. Hey, good.
I'm
tired. I'm tired.
Celebration.
Oh wow, the best thing ever.
What does it mean?
I'm not familiar. I get even more because I'm from South Africa. But the way Kibonang is the best thing ever. And I'm really enjoying it. That's that I'm tired. I'm
Will you encourage some South Africans to join the race maybe next year?
They will come definitely. They wanted to come. Unfortunately, they didn't have the budget yet. But we're going to budget from now on. We are coming back. We are coming back. Yo! Jeez, I started late. From like after 10, the only thing is to go start a lot. But
thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm tired.
Are you tired?
Yes.
Are you going to finish the race?
Yes, I am.
Are you going to finish the race?
Day 3, I'm
How's
there.
the energy?
Energy is out of 10, I'd say 6. But I'm re-energizing to continue.
Okay.
So it will be 8 by the time I'm re-energized.
The 200 years, what does it mean to you?
As a Motswana, I'm just happy to celebrate with you, Basotho.
Oh, you are from Botswana?
Your family. Yes, I'm from Botswana.
So will you encourage some Botswana people to join the race next time?
Oh, of course. We've got a team here already from Botswana. They might have arrived already. But next year, here they are.
Hi. No, we're happy. We are still good to go for the next 10 kilometers or so, and then tomorrow again, and the 3rd day as well.
So are you going to finish the race?
We are going to finish the race. We are going to finish the race.
Are you going to encourage some Botswana to join the race?
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
We brought a lot more people this year.
Yeah. We brought more.
Okay,
Yeah, first timers.
Ke bo mang bo mme?
Ke Spelani, Botswana, Gaborone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kamogelo Rankuna, Botswana, Gaborone. Kapelo Musime, Botswana, Gaborone.
Okay, bo mme. Le tsameng ha monata ke.
Ra lebo. Let's wait for the car to just pass.
Bontate le tsamaile race ena go le driving.
Ebile re qala morao re ne re ba tloela ba tsamaya ebe re tla ka morao go ba ka pele pele bona tjena ke gona bana ne re le ka pele re fitla re nka
Ba bona ha le ke le tsamaile bontate man bona le fresh e
le sheba ba
dikuto ya bontate 200 years celebration
a jena re thabila holo tsebile ke kgetlo la pele re tsamaya le dolenana ebe ho ba monate haholo a ne nna ke thabile ke bua ile ntwe experience e sa le ke e batla sefapa le se le a ke karile ntate ke se ke tlo tsamaya mehla e
ya ha monate ka nnete haholo fe
ha monate
fetsa ha monate ba ho sa le ka 51 eno ha re ka tonka 51 eno kana re setse ka 31 ha
re sa ndebeletse
116
re sa ndebeletse
bontate modimo ke o
sitlo se semvela ka ba busi ka lebo
I've got more than enough.
Yeah, but it's a life. Life.
Areke ba kera di jora.
Ya bunta tebat.
Nela doak.
Yuku ko yanda doak.
Ayande na doak.
Ko hante.
Handa ho.
160.
Kamu di muji hante.
Uda sha banta.
Ndadenga etsa sohle. Moholwana wa.
Ndade o ka encourage ba bang hore ba join.
Ndade boikwetliso ke ntwa ya bohlokwa mmeleng wa motho. O keke wa phela ntle le boikwetliso.
That was a 200 year celebration. What does it mean?
Annete hoja ine se ka le morena Moshoeshoe re ka be re se Basotho mme taba ena ya gore re ditika dilemo tse 200 go nna ke tlotsa gobane re keteka mothei wa setšhaba sa Basotho mme ha o keteka mothei wa setšhaba sa batho go bolela wa itseba o Mosotho ya le bona
bontate tate ke mang
Ramaso fane ke gampai sheshe mme ke motlotlo gore be le nna ka jeno ke nkile karolo go keteka mogana wa gona mogana Moshoeshoe
ntate wa ifetsa race
ndade
thaba bosiu wa ke
a monate bang fela half thousand e tla be ke le thaba bosiu
alala
digomo
dadwa
Ntate se teng ke teng le ka bontate
ntate ke mang
chala tse kobile wa toba wa mahamantse bokwa anda
dadwa go ikutlwa jwa fela 200 years celebration
200 years e bolela a lot la pele la ha kobile wa monna moholo na le teng a utlwa menkgwaneng so ke emetse yena mona 200 years later and ke sure ha ba le mpone ke sile kutu tsena kaofela ke mong wa first people to arrive here ke mong wa bapele o fihla mme ke a taba bosiuta anda ke celebrate le mo anda ha ene
wow so ndati Welcome. Wena e re fela a itla botlhogong ya gago
e le ntate o lela ntho e kgolo gagolo ka nnete moreneng wa rona wa Basotho go tloa nako ya kgaleng a e tsamaya ka yona go fitlhela go bele ke kante ke history e ya ntate wa ka a re phaphatsa
Celebrating 50 years this year with this walk. Ahelo na bana besi. Ahe.
Lina Gima. 200 years of celebration. How do you feel about it?
Yo, it's exhausting. Yeah, but it's very exciting at the same time. But we are very tired, as you can see right now. Yes.
You think you can finish the race?
Oh my God. I'm guessing I will. I want to. Yeah, so I think I will. Yes, thank you.
Dumela ntate. Ha e hle o ima empa he re tla fihla.
Ka nnete. Ke kgathetse ka nnete.
So 200 years to you, what does it mean?
Ka nnete ke utlwa ke le motlotlo haholo hore be neng re qetile nako ena re le Basotho. E re celebrate letsatsi la kajeno. Ka nnete ke thabo e kgolo go rona re le Basotho. Mme ke thabo e kgolo bona go le dinaga tse ding ka nnete di tlile go tla re tshegetsa tabeng ena. Re le bona.
Madena donga. Kisi imona la khoba.
200 years celebration. What does it mean to you, sir?
100 years ba ta uta le ke la mga kale na 115 kilometers. High bed.
Ana ro kai fetsa ta.
Adeke. Yo deke, ka ke se ona.
Pula.
E ka ke se ona papa. Pula ba.
Tadi. Ya bona unkamana.
Nyaka bola
Tatwaka ha unkamata tjena. Tsotela di ka go tikitse ba le mona.
Ka ne de go bala ka bola Ka be matlanyana o ya pelenya.
Ka o batla ha matla tatwaka.
Yan.
116 place in that. Wa iketa ha iketa wa drive.
Ya iketa riding.
Wa iketa.
Ya ke se lenyane. Ona wale jela ka salen tlhane ngele nyane ndola ka isapela.
Tatwaka lo so to celebrate 200 years.
Mo
wena e re fela tadi.
No. Aswa it's like you celebrate 200 years re na le ntwe re super. Ya go sheba go na ha tse di tswetse pele wa nga sale hole ya bohlo.
Ba go bona o tla loka tatwaka.
O tla loka mohlomong re tle re sheba gona mona molo na o tla ga bea kae. Ya.
Tate ke go disa go wena.
Re tewetse mbonda. Khotso pula na.
Kainda te. Matsidiso maswabi. Maseru. Ndate. Antwana na ke aka. This is my 5th year ke yetsa. Nkota ha mona to bona bo. It's the perfect. Ha monate fair.
Will you encourage some other people to join in the race?
Very much. Because ehlabolla kelelong e theola mmele. It does many things. Melong wa motho. All how fifty high if you had that stress. Wa selebala o una le ka kelelo entsha. E tla phile. And that
200 year celebration e re mo wena. What does it mean to you?
Wow. Basotho tlo phela ho feta mona. Le naha ya rona ke bona ka le morotlo phama ho feta. Ya be re celebrate 200 years re phuluile e le gore le naha eno ya phulwa this time around. More development in Lesotho. Ga lebo.
In case you don't see your car key or you don't know where it is, please come.
Dumela ntate.
We might be able to assist you.
Ke ikutlwa hantle ka nnete ha ke a kgathala ka ke shebahala empa ke le moputswa fela ke ho tsamaya ke se kgwanele fela yana ha eso ke mapoteng mane ha molebo beria ha eso ke mapoteng ha molebo beria ya ntate
o ikutlwa jwang fela ntate o celebrate 200 years ya Lesotho ntate
wa tswa ke ikutlwa ke thabile haholo hore be ke karolo ya celebration ena haholo mona Moshoeshoe Walk mo re bonang ho kopane batho ba bangata ba hlang dinang tse ngata ebile ke ha ke sheba selemong sena le ba tswang hole haholo ba teng ho tla keteka le rona ka ona motsamao ono re bolellwang hore morena Moshoeshoe la o tsamaya dilemong tseno tse magolo a mabedi tse fitileng ka nnete ke motlotlo haholo ka tabeng
pula ntate
pula Pula. Haina.
Thank you dad. Daddy. Le guy.
Ke teng le ka ngwana ka
tshepela. Ke go drive ile ke go tsabile ka koloi.
Nna ke na bona le mo di 15 tsa mantwe. Jona re kenya bashana ke bana ba tsamaya bona. Re ba tataisi wa kula bona. Ba o ke ntho ntwa bolo ko sana. So ke ka bona
motho wa kolobeko botsa motho wa kolobeko. Tata o iputla jwang?
Ra ke sampane ke le sharp.
Something right.
Ya ra e fetsa last 10 years.
Wa go ifetsa.
No ra e fetsa.
Wa ifetsa.
E fedile.
Serious.
E fedile bra ya.
Ba jole ke wa ja bona.
No.
Ntate ka go ka be dimpa di tletse.
Di protein. Ra ke tsenya matla.
O ka matla.
Ke tsenya matla. A re baleng.
That the 200 year celebration, what does it mean?
No, that re tumela re celebrate le lona mo Lesotho mo. So it's a grateful event. So ra leboga.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ke leboile veteran.
Telefona kaofela. A re thabeng kaofela.
Thank you.
Twa bolokosa.
All right.
Salwa ke batla ka tsaya ke volunteer sebetsa.
Daddy, how's it?
I'm good in
O ikutlwa jwang?
So, a ke thabile nna gore be ke tsamaile but kgathetse.
Mara ke re ka se fetse. 116 ke re ka se fetse.
A ke tlo e qeta.
O tlo e qeta?
Yes.
Serious?
Serious.
Wa e qeta?
Yeah.
200 year celebration, what does it mean to you?
I think it's an achievement. I think for us re le Basotho to see hore re qadile mo Morena Moshoeshoe qadileng teng ho ya mole. It's a history. It's history. To me it means kannete re sebeditse so ke teboho nepo. Thank you, Dad.
Ndati ke khathetse hona ka ne di khathetse maoto ana a bela ai a bela mngaka ka ne di khathetse ai ka tswa itshisa ndati ka tswa itshisa
Ntate o ikutlwa jwang 200 year celebration?
Ka gona ndate jalo ka Mosotho ke ukwa ke thabile ho gona ke tlotla ho gona ke tabe kgolo ba ka jeno re ke tika hore re bile le naha so ka nnete ke thabile haholo ntate ke mokgona iqaqhatla la ka la pele la o tla mona and I'm so excited ke thabile hona e mina ntho kgolo ho nna it means hore ka jeno mothei wa naha ya rona o mphile naha ke le bua ntate
116 kilos.
Ai
Ntate wa ifetsa.
Ndate ke tlo e bola ke tlo e qeta ntate ke tlo e qeta ke tlo jona tjena ke qeta ho ja fela ke ikopanyanyane ke kene tseleng hape
alala
ntate ntate ke le bua.
You are camera shy.
Yes.
You are very shy.
Yes, very shy.
But you are not shy.
No, I don't want to talk.
Huh? Are you shy? Don't be shy. How do you feel?
I feel good. I feel good. Yeah, the walk's been good.
What does it mean to you for Lesotho celebrating 200 years?
Oh, it's an amazing experience celebrating it with our Basotho friends. We've made some nice friends along the way, and it's a momentous occasion. I'm glad to be in your beautiful country sharing it with you. Thank you.
Where are you from?
I am from Pretoria, South Africa.
All right. Yeah. Will you encourage South Africans to join the race?
Oh, yes, definitely.
Yes.
Yes, definitely.
But are you going to finish the 116?
I am going to definitely finish the 116, yes.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you. Hello, sisters.
Hello.
How do you feel?
I'm very tired.
You're very tired.
But I'm happy I've done what I did today.
Are you going to finish the 116?
No.
You are not?
I'm not going to. No, I'm just going to rest a bit. Yes. I'll finish up later on. Yeah. But for the day, I'm done. I'm tired.
Done.
Yes,
for
tired.
The day.
For the day.
For the day, you are tired.
Yes.
You are finished.
Finished.
200 year celebration, what does it mean to you?
I'm happy about it and I'm so excited to be part of it because by the time it's another 2 years, I'll not be here. So I'm very happy to be a part of this historic moment.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir? Hi. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Are you going to finish the 116?
Of course.
Seriously?
Yeah, what else would I do?
What does it mean for you celebrating 200 years of Lesotho?
It's a brilliant opportunity to be able to celebrate with our friends from Lesotho.
and celebrate their 200-year anniversary. So it's a pleasure to be here with them.
Where are you from?
From the UK.
From UK?
Yeah.
Will you encourage people from UK to join the race?
Absolutely, yeah. I think people should come and see the beautiful sights along the route.
Mentally, what does the race mean to you?
Mentally, it's actually the first opportunity for me to meet a lot of local people, and it's been a real pleasure to be able to just walk out with everybody who's in the crowd. It's great.
Okay. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Hello.
Hello.
How do you feel?
I'm feeling good, thank you very much.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
I'm feeling
mentally.
I'm feeling
and
energized.
physically?
I'm feeling very energized
Do
in
you
this
feel like
beautiful
you're going
country.
Do you feel like you're going to finish the 116?
Yes, I think the positive energy of the Basotho people
Yes.
and the positive energy of this amazing country will help see me through.
200-year celebration, what does it mean to you?
It's a very big privilege to be here to celebrate with everybody on the 200th anniversary, be a part of the walk in Moshoeshoe, the first footsteps, and I'm just very, very proud to be here with the United Kingdom and the Welsh cohorts celebrating with the Basotho people.
Up to so far, what have you learned about the Basotho people?
The resilience, the courage, the energy, and the welcoming. It's an amazing country.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
How do you feel?
I feel delighted.
Did you walk or did you drive? Because you look
Yeah.
active. Fresh. You still look fresh.
Yes, that's because I've done this before. So this is my second year doing it. Last year I was the only person from outside of Sadak who was on the Moshoeshoe Walk. And since then I told all my friends, and now we've got 50 British people who are on this walk. So it's really exciting that we've got so many. It's really exciting that the British people are paying their respects to Basotho, to King Moshoeshoe the First, and to the 200th anniversary celebrations. I've been walking all morning. I'll be walking all day tomorrow. We'll be walking all day on day 3 because we're walking in the footsteps of King Moshoeshoe to honour him and to honour the Basotho people.
What have you learned in the race up to so far?
Well, as this is my second time doing it, I've learned that Basotho and people from around this region have an amazing spirit, beautiful souls, and that kindness, that warmth, the welcoming. This is one of the most exceptional places around the world, and I've lived in many places in the world. There are not many places like Lesotho where the people are just so warm. They have such embracing spirits, and the spirit of Moshoeshoe is along this walk as well, and it's just a fabulous experience to have. Everyone should join it.
Thank you very much.
Ke leboha ntate.
Thank you. Ke a leboha. Hey, wena ka kgathetse hle monna. Dumela ntate.
Oh,
Le ka ntate wa ka?
o tele ka ntate.
Ntate wa ka. Jwale e ka re matla a sa le teng.
Ha ntsa le mangata.
O tla e fetsa 116 ntate.
Sentse ke qetile.
Ntate ke mang?
Ke Teboho Nsihlele.
Ntate 200-year celebration mo wena, what does it mean?
Probably the country is still moving. We have to rebrand the country and make it a better country than the one which Moshoeshoe has done. It's just to improve on that to make it one of the best countries in the world. It means we have to rebrand Lesotho to make it a better country for us.
Ntate, what will you be encouraged batho gore ba joine race? Thata batjha.
Ne ke ba thata ho utlwa Mosotho hantle. We are still following up to what Basotho have done. Go at least once in your lifetime. Motho a nke leeto lena la Moshoeshoe Walk. Ntate.
Ntate wa e fetsa 116.
Ke qeta hangata. I've done this for 16 years back. So
Ka nnete ntate.
Ntate. So it's not a big challenge for me this year.
Ke lebohile ntate wa ka.
Ke tebohetse ntate.
Dankie. Ntate. How do you feel?
I'm good.
You are good?
Yeah.
Are you going to finish the race?
I am going to finish.
Ntate ke ntate mang?
Lehlohonolo la Mpobane.
Ntate 200-year celebration.
Yes.
What does it mean to you?
Yeah, it means a lot. We've come very far as Basotho. It means a lot to us. Yeah.
If ka bole ntate Moshoeshoe, what will you do differently? If you were ntate Moshoeshoe today?
Differently?
Yeah.
I think he did the best he could. So there was nothing to do for that time better than this. Yes.
Ntate.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dumela montate.
Dumela bontate.
Dumela montate.
Re tong kae bontate? Yeah bontate.
Di ikutlwa jwang?
Ah ntate, awesome. Yeah,
Awesome.
it's just a good feeling.
Mare ke la khathala bontate. Bontate le drive le go le
No,
fly.
no, no, ga
No, ke re le
khathala.
fly.
No, kwana re coverileng ya hola about 20 Ks now. So nze re le sharp. Yeah, ha.
Life etsa 160.
Oh, obviously we have to. It's a must. Yeah, ha.
Ntate 200 years celebration.
Yeah,
What does it mean to you?
yeah, ke a gola gona re le Basotho, ke a gola, it means so much. Go sheba le gona re tswa kae le gona go kae le gona re ya go kae. So itlile ke e bohlokwa haholo ho rona re le Basotho. Yes.
Thank you ntate.
Ntate.
Ntate wa.
Ntate.
O jwang ntate?
Ka da hantle.
Ke tshware ka mo ntate ke utlwe wena hore maikutlo a o fela.
Ha ka nete ga monate. Go bona Basotho ba thabetse go celebrate 200 years. So ka nete ke leto le ntse le tsama hantle.
Le letle ntate.
Thawe mona ya tshabeng ntate.
Ya tshabega ntate wa. O ikutlwa jwang fela ntate?
Ah re fiti, re fiti.
O fiti ntate? Pate ke go tsamile ka koloi.
Ah ko.
A wa tsamaya ka koloi.
Ko tla fatshe.
O tla fatshe ntate. Ntate.
Ye ntate.
Pula ene.
Ya tla pula na ba. Sheba ka morao ya tla pula.
Ya tla ka teng.
Ye ntate.
Thank you.
Ga le ba bontate.
Thank you.
Ntate, tsana ke.
Where to go? O jwang ntate?
Ah ke sharp ntate.
Ntate ke ntate ma.
Ke ntate Moilwa.
Ntate Moilwa. O ikutlwa jwang?
Ah ke ikutlwa ke le motlotlo re be ke karolo ya mokete ona wa re keteka dilemo tse magolo a mabedi re le setšhaba. Ya ntate.
200 years celebration in ntate wa.
Ntate.
O wena fela e re ntate.
E ntjwetsa hore baholoholo ba rona Morena Moshoeshoe le thaka tsa hae ba ile ba itela tlasa maemo ao ha re ka sheba hona jwale ba ne ba lwantshana le makgowa batho ba neng ba ena le dibetsa tse kotsi ho feta tsa hae ka nako eo mme ba o rethela setjhaba sena se teng ka jeno mme re tlameha re nkele tlotla hore ebe re ntse re le teng le ka jeno re le Basotho mme re tlameha re tlotle baholoholo ba rona.
Ntate wa ha ntate Moshoeshoe o na le teng today o no tla mo fa gift efe?
Ntate ke bua ka ha hona gift e mo lokelang ho feta go fela a tlotlo hoba o entse ntho kgolo e fetang eo re ka mo leboang ka yona gore o entse ntho kgolo haholo e ka fetang le bokgoni ba batho ba teng hona jwale ba banana go ba bohlale empa ga o so sheba o fana baholo ba gona le ba batla ba le bohlale haholo go feta re mpa kana go ka baka la technology gana ke gona ba bohlale ya ntate.
Ntate ke lebohile.
Ke lebile haholo.
Thank you. Are you fine?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
I'm happy with sharp. Pedri, how is Ali sharp?
Yeah, the battery is still fine.
Ke le ka Sotho ha monate ngwana mme.
O ikutlwa jwang ntate?
Atch ke unfit. I'm going to try my best next year. I must go to gym. That work. Ke tshwere ke di muscle mane. Dir. Atch.
Di muscle di go tshwere ka di washe.
Atch ngwana mme di muscle di ntshwere ntate di ntshwere mona. Ha ke khone lo hem. Mare this is beautiful. Go batla gore re ntse re kopana yana. Re le setšhaba sa continent ya Africa re tshegetsane go celebrate se Lesotho e se fitlheletseng 200 years is a se papadi ngwana mme re itumetse haholo organization e ntle re batle le rona empa fela re ne go chisa energy gone mme re tla izama gape ka usana o ntshebe ka usana
ntate Moshoeshoe ha ka ba le teng o no tla mo fa gift efe?
Ntate Moshoeshoe if na le mo ke ne le motho wa lerato le kgotso ke ka mo Basotho re ha ba dumedisa ba re kgotso yo nka mo fa embane tota ha gona gift ene nka mo fa yona ka gore ke mo rapedise gore modimo a mo segofatse a mo oketse a fe setšhaba sa gage sa Basotho kgotso e feteletseng.
Thank you.
Thank you ntate.
Cool.
Oh. Good afternoon. Absolutely delighted to be here in Lesotho.
How do you feel in that day?
Well, this is a milestone for this country, and to all intents and purposes, this is a fantastic occasion, contributing significantly to its tourism. So many participants within the SADC region, coming as far as Europe, Americas. So this is remarkable for the Mountain Kingdom, and of course coinciding with such a truly remarkable event. 200 years since its formation, so that's quite fantastic.
Thank you, Ndati. Thank you.
Much appreciated.
Wow. Should be very essence. Malpans. Root wheel. Yeah,